Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to pack up your Windows 11 to an external hard drive. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. View by select this to category and select system security. And in here you just need to select the file history. Keep a history of your files. Under here you just need to select system image backup. And now you just need to click on create a system image. It will actually save your files and the whole image of your computer. Where do you want to save the backup? You just need to select it guys on the hard disk or on DVDs or on your network location. You just need to select by your preferences. If you are plugged in USB flash drive or an external drive, click on this drop down on hard disk and you can able to see the drives will be available in here guys in this hard disk drop down, and select your preferences where you want to save it, and after that click on next, and it will also tell you how much size is required on that particular drive, and it says required as blank. In next page it will be shown guys. In my case I don't have external drives, that's why I'm not able to save the backup, but if you have enough space in hard disk or your network location or DVDs, just need to select it by your preferences and select next, and the next page will appear. The next page will tells you how much GP requires us create a backup of your Windows 11, and you just need to select the next option to confirm your backup settings, and it will be start packing up your Windows 11 guys. So the whole image of your Windows 11 will be backed up along with the files, and you can also restore whenever you want. And I will always recommend to have the backup of your system guys. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.